is practicing. It's for
Lydia.
Lila and Lonnie went to the bathroom. We are at a elementary school and we're gonna film our prelim round here.
Hey guys, it's 4:15 and we're gonna record the Madison prelim video. Practice started at 4 and this is all that's here. There's 13 of us, so this is like not being half a team, but yeah.
Oh, it's 4:16 now.
Oh, okay. How do you feel about our prelim video or routine?
Oh, I think it's cute.
Lydia, how do you feel? I can't zoom in.
I think it's cute. Yeah, the person's doing good.
Lonnie's?
I'm excited. I think we're doing good.
Yeah, Melina.
We did it. We're doing fantastic.
I like it. It's cutie. But yeah, we'll be back.
Hi guys. Hi. We just got done with our what? Was it called? Prelim?
Prelim video.
Yes. Yeah. You want to be in it?
CC Sean. Yo. What's the move?
Oh.
How do you think we did on our
Yes. How do you guys think we did?
Honestly, I think we did good. It took a while, but I think that was the most I've ever seen us sing.
Yeah. And it's like we got that done in 2 days.
Yeah.
So proud of us.
And some of us wanted to dance yesterday.
Yeah. Wow. Me too. It's
Guys,
okay.
give me the drinks up. Lydia gave us.
Yes. They got us chips too.
I think it's that way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Period. Okay, bye guys. Bye.
Stop. Okay, we're just going back to practice from the prelim round. It's us three, and we're trying to find the front door. And it's so I know it is. Watch us like look back at this video and we see a face in the background. Shut your mouth! Shut your mouth! What is that? What's going on? Wait a minute. We just went in a circle. I swear that was the entrance. Wait, is that not? Wait, I'm so confused. Should we scroll out that way? And then just walk out? That was the entrance. I swear, I remember. Right? I remembered.
Hey y'all, it's October 25th, 8:54 p.m. I'm currently bedazzling my outfit. Don't look at my messy room. So I've been here for like a few hours, and as you can see, I have like nothing done.
Hey guys, it's Ava. Right now I'm blinging my outfit. I only have this done, but other than that, I don't really have that much done, so I have to hurry up. Madison is this weekend. It's the 28th right now. I'm really nervous, and I'm not mentally prepared for that right now, but we just have to thug it out.
Hi guys, it is November 1st, and and we're practicing. Okay, close. We need to go. We're a little late. That's for Lau. Wow! Wow! Hey guys, it's time to eat. What time is it?
7:36.
Oh, that's a jump scare. 7:36. And we're eating. And I'm mad. I'm mad because my body hurts. I look like so like an egg. I'm shaking. And there's crunchy green grapes.
I'm ready for my
We made it safely. Yep. Yep.
really big suitcase.
And
Okay, Grandpa, you can bring it back. Sorry, wait, stop.
what just happened?
I should have recorded that. I just scared you.
Yeah, so I had not screamed like that in a while. Because I was running up, and I was like, oh, I should scare them. And I started running, and I saw the door open. I was scared that you guys saw me. I was so scared. But Maddie was like, I'm scared. And I was just saying, me too. But then Lottie jumped out, and we both screamed. Oh, hell no. Oh, yeah, you can't see us.
It's okay. Hey guys, so
I'll just put captions.
yeah, it's Alexis and Lonnie right now. And what are we doing, Lonnie?
We're going to my house because I forgot my pillow and blanket.
Stars.
Oh,
That star is
bro,
so
you
bright.
can't even see. Frick.
That star is so bright. What if that's Pluto?
I don't think. Pluto is the farthest planet away from us, bro.
Oh, but like they count it as a star now. Like,
yeah, but you're not gonna be able to see it.
Oh, I guess.
Like that planet, if that was a planet, that would be like Mars.
Right. I don't know.
But that's not Mars. Mars would be like orange.
Anyways, that's a little astronomy talk.
Yes. So cool. I think right there is what's his name? But I think that's a constellation. The guy with the belts. I forget his name. Who's a devotee to these things. No, I know that before. No. Here we're home. It's cold. We're going to bed. It's 12:39. That's Maddie, Neela, Lila, Char. That's Lydia, Charlotte, and then Alexis is knocked out over there.
Oh, I'm saying
Over there. Good morning.
Okay, well, on stage game.
We're getting dressed right now. Eating food. All the girls are getting ready. Some girls are eating upstairs. The outfit. I look like an egg. I'm eating breakfast. Anyways, we're gonna see my portrait. Blessings are the miracles that grace your path. My lucky numbers are 35, 34, 20, 45, 24, 2. I don't have my lucky number.
We're eating. It's 8:57. We practice at 9. Are you tired?
I'm actually okay.
Your makeup is eating.
I know.
Hey guys, we're on our way to Madison. I'm so oily. Yeah. I'm excited for this round. This round is easy because it's just going.
We're on our way to Madison. Yay. Who's over there?
Wow, no Snapchat.
Yeah, I cleared my storage just for this weekend. Okay, see you guys there. Oh,
Guys, we made it to the new year. We just got here.
Yup.
And look at our little.
I feel so special.
I know, right?
It
Like
feels so special.
special treatment or what? This is everybody else. Ava and the other girls are still coming. Look at their cookies. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, yummy treats. Thank you, yummy, for the gooey cookies. I wanna like put it in the microwave. But I doubt they have it here. That's cute. That's cute.
That's at home.
You got candy at home?
We're about to go in person. How are you feeling? I'm feeling nervous. How are you feeling? I'm feeling scared.
We're gonna do so good though, Maddie.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling excited.
How are you feeling?
I'm really excited.
Huh? How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great. We're gonna do Star Day.
How are you feeling? I'm feeling good. Huh? How are you feeling?
I'm so excited to do it.
How are you feeling?
Really excited.
How are you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Yeah?
Yeah, mine too. I took my goal.
I know. How are you feeling? I feel good. Just super happy. Just want to stay up. Yeah? But yeah, I'm excited. Yeah, how are you feeling? How are you feeling?
I feel good. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm excited. How are you feeling? I asked everyone, but you weren't here.
I am feeling. I have no idea. I don't know how to feel. And that's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
And that's okay. I don't know how I feel, and that's okay. Is it good, Maddie? Is it good? This is so good. Try it, what you get?
I got 2 mochi donuts, strawberry and cookies and cream.
Yep, this is so bomb. Hi guys, round 1 is over. How do you feel about round 1?
I feel good, but not good because I kind of.
She touched her hat on stage, but it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah, I still eat.
Yeah, she still ate. How do you feel? Okay. How do you feel? Oh, guys, look at this.
It's okay, Maddie.
Look at Maddie. It's from her. Okay.
I feel pretty good. Not bad. Not ready for tonight.
Our knees are not ready for tonight. Guys, mine are ash.
I feel like you just zoomed in on my toe.
Sorry. No, I didn't. Sorry. But how do you feel about today?
Not bad.
Okay. What about your forehead?
Oh,
How do you feel about today?
I feel okay.
Feel
I feel
okay?
like we've done better.
Yeah, we have done better. But it's okay. How do you feel? Yeah.
I think I did good.
Charlotte ate. Charlotte always eats.
I try to keep the energy up.
Yeah, period.
So kitty.
She we're youthful because of Charlotte. She just turned 12.
Youngest on the team.
And I'm the oldest on the team. I turn 19 in 2 months. And she's 12. I get it. How do you feel?
I feel okay. I think personally I did really good. But
Period! How do you feel?
I feel okay, but I feel like there's also a lot of mistakes.
Yeah.
But it's okay.
How do you feel you did?
I think I did good.
Period. Ava always eats. Period. Amazing. Amazing.
It's 4:21. We're here. We're eating, or I'm eating. And I finally got my bubbler.
Hi guys. Here are my thoughts about today because I didn't talk about my thoughts, I think. Also, it is 4:20ish and we have practice at 5. So I'm walking home to get the car so we can go to practice. I don't know why I'm speaking. Oh my gosh, my forehead. Okay, anyway guys, all the teams absolutely devoured today. Amazing. And they're so cute. And wow, like y'all really, like you guys, like wow, like they, yeah. All the teams did amazing, and I'm so excited to see what you guys have for tomorrow, as if other dance teams are watching this, but I'm super excited to see everyone's routines because I'm excited to show our routine.
Let's vlog. Practice starts at 5, and it's just me, Mila, and Alexis here.
Alexis went to the bathroom, but this is us here. Wait, show them. Just. No, girl, it's upside down, man. It's literally just us. Nobody else is here. So, yeah.
We think that the other girls are gonna be late.
They're gonna have to do 30 push-ups if they're late.
Update. Nancy is here now. You're right here on time. And Lucy's here too. Lucy's on time. I'm on time. So nothing for me. She said she got cash. Yeah. We're at practice, and we're trying something. I don't know what it is, but
at dinner for practice, day 2. We're watching our dances. We're just chilling.
Hey guys, so it's currently, where's my watch? It's currently 10:29 p.m. on Friday. We got back from practice at what, 9:20ish. Everybody just got done showering, kind of, not really. The people who wanted to shower showered, and then now we are finishing up. Well, they're finishing up their Chinese outfit.
Hi guys, it is 11:05 on Saturday. 11:05.
Should we fold it and then do this and then use this to twist it? No, you do what Charlotte's doing and you twist it. What are you doing here? Well, I was literally giving you a suggestion. Why are you being such a hater?
Neela, I love the idea. Okay, the idea is there.
It's 11:23 p.m. Finishing outfits, making goodie bags.
100.
Chocolate bar.
Good.
I need more tie
Throw
things.
it right here. They're not even using it. They have a bunch over here.
You see this?
We're Shein factory workers.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's Sunday now, day 2 of competition. It's 5:43, and we're going to Lila's house so I can get ready. Here, let me turn this light on. Oh, yeah. Me and Emma, we went to the after party last night for Madison, and we had to wake up at like 4, so we're pretty tired, but it's okay.
Can you tell them why it's called an after party? It's not an after party. An after party is after that party is an after party. This is the party, right?
No.
Yeah.
Bro, I look like a ghost. And my nose is ready, so don't talk about it. It is 4 a.m. and I'm going to Lila's house right now. I'm gonna get my bling on me. I'm gonna go sleep because I'm tired. I woke up at 2 a.m. 2:55 a.m. because I don't want to wake up too early. So
Hi guys, it's currently 6. We woke up 40 minutes late. We're supposed to wake up at 4. We're all running late. Now everyone's rushing to get their hair done. It's too early for this. Hey guys, everybody is finishing up, getting ready, or they're ready now. And then we're gonna practice soon. It is 7:08. 30 minutes of practice. Yeah, I got 30 minutes of practice, and this round starts at 9. And then third round starts at... When does third round start? 3:45? Okay, 3:45. Hi guys. It's 7:40. We're a little late, but...
That's Lonnie's mom. I pick up the girls. I want to make sure. There's only 4. Well, what if I want? 7 and 10.
I think yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I am.
Wow, I'm so proud of you.
Yeah. Because I don't think anybody vlogged. Did you vlog?
I vlogged.
Oh, that's good. Oh my god, you saved. Oh. Oh, my God.
Hi guys, it's 11:04 and we finished round 1, which was Lao. I don't know if anyone has vlogged, but we are getting ready for round 3, which is Chinese, Hmong Chinese. Oh yeah, you can put your hand dryer too. The dryer. You could just let.
It's almost 3. Everyone's handing out gift bags. You see them? They're right there. Oh.
Hi guys. Hi. It's what time is it?
It's almost 2. It's almost 2 o'clock.
Almost 2. We had practice at 2:30, so we're all gonna take a nap.
1:49. Watch us take a nap.
Maddie, pose for me. Same thing. Don't tell me. Oh girl, that is not.
Hey guys, we are at practice. We're scratching. It's 2 something and yeah, we're just getting ready to practice, so